Seed to seed in soybean crop. Soybean, one of the most important global source of protein and oil and considered to be the world's first crop legume species. The land for soybean sowing requires a good seed bed with reasonable fine texture, not too many clods. The seeds are treated with fungicides like carbendazim and thiram before sowing. The seeds are sown manually at a depth of 2 to 3 cm, adopting a space of 30 by 5 cm. The soybean land after 25th day of sowing, and the crops are grown up to 10 cm long. Irrigation was done immediately after sowing of soybean crop, and the live irrigation was given on the third day. Further irrigations at the intervals of 7 to 10 days may be given depending on the weather and soil conditions. The soybean crops are grown with weeds, and these weeds can be managed by spraying herbicides like Alachlor or pendimethalin. Usually, the spraying of herbicide is done along with the one-hand weeding on 30 days after sowing. If the herbicide spray is not given, two-hand weeding must be given on the 20th and 35th day after sowing. The soybean field after completion of weeding. The TNAU released soybean crop varieties are CO1, CO2 and CO-Soy 3. The cultivation of soybean crops is successful in climates with hot summer. The flowering stage is on 37th day. The fruit is a hairy pod that grows in clusters of 3 to 5. Each pod is 3 to 8 cm long and usually contains 2 to 4 seeds, 5 to 11 mm in diameter. When soybean plants mature, they start dropping their leaves, they turn yellow and the soybean pods dry out quickly. Harvesting can be done manually by hand, breaking the stalks on the ground level or with sickle. Depending on the variety, soybeans can be harvested between 100 and 150 days after planting. The harvested crops are then taken to the threshing area. The materials taken to the threshing area is then spread on a polythene sheet and allowed it to dry under the sun. After drying, the dried materials are beaten continuously. Threshing should be done carefully, and any kind of severe beating or trampling may damage the seed coat and thus reduces the seed quality and viability. Threshing can also be done mechanically by using some soybean threshers. The husk is removed as waste then. Dehusking is done properly and the grains are separated. The grains are yellow in color. Approximately 85% of the world's soybean crop is processed into soybean meal and vegetable oil. The soybeans having a dark colored seed coat are undesirable for use in commercial food products.